Huawei FreeClip 2 delivers next-gen open-ear audio with a lightweight, clip-on design for all-day comfort. Enjoy clear, immersive sound with smart connectivity that keeps you aware of your surroundings. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Huawei FreeClip 2, charging case, and user manual. How to pair. To pair the Huawei FreeClip 2, open the charging case with the earbuds inside and press and hold the function button until the indicator light begins flashing. Then, enable Bluetooth on your phone, search for available devices, and select Huawei FreeClip 2 from the list to complete the connection. Once paired, the earbuds will automatically reconnect to your device whenever the case is opened nearby. How to charge. To charge the earbuds, place both earbuds back into the charging case and make sure they fit properly into the charging slots. Then connect the charging case to a USB-C charging cable and power source. The indicator light on the case will show the charging status, and once fully charged, the earbuds and case will be ready for extended listening and calling use.
Smart features?
The lightweight open-ear design provides a secure and comfortable fit for extended daily use without putting pressure on your ears. Its ergonomic clip-on style keeps you aware of surrounding sounds while enjoying music and calls. Advanced audio technology delivers rich bass, detailed vocals, and balanced sound for an immersive listening experience. The open-ear design helps maintain natural awareness while still providing clear and powerful audio performance. AI-powered microphones help reduce background noise and wind interference for clearer voice calls in busy environments. The intelligent call system enhances voice clarity, making conversations sound more natural and easier to hear. The efficient battery system provides hours of continuous playback for music, calls, and daily entertainment. With the charging case, you can enjoy reliable all-day power without frequent recharging. Advanced Bluetooth technology provides fast pairing and a stable wireless connection for smooth audio playback and calls. Using the Huawei AI Life app, you can customize controls, update firmware, and manage smart audio features easily.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Huawei FreeClip 2. See you at the next one.